Hey, what's up, guys? It's Nate with Pure Computers, Puko for short. I just had this stupid idea for a song that I've been writing stuck in my head. It's called From Hard Drives to Motherboards. Dumb name, but that's the chorus, so let me play it for you.
Nate's the name in the tech game. Oh yeah, building dreams with circuits and wire all day, from dawn to dusk, in his zone, heartfelt. At Puko, he makes the unknown all clear. Pure computers will light up your world. From hard drives to motherboards, never absurd. Late nights, Nate's in, fixing the fray. No stress, virus fights, data saves, no mess. At Puko, he's the modern knight, stood taut, keeping systems running strong, battles fought. Pure computers will light up your world. From hard drives to motherboards, never